Hey everyone, what if I told you that you could create professional voiceovers, cut or join audio, enhance sound quality, and even remove vocals, completely free, online, and with no hidden costs? Yes, no software, no sign up, no limits, just open your browser and start creating. Welcome to SKY TTS, your all-in-one AI-powered audio studio made for creators, teachers, and professionals. Let me show you how powerful and easy it really is. SKY TTS brings together every audio tool you could possibly need in one place. Whether you want to make podcasts, music, YouTube videos, or presentations, this is the only website you'll ever need. Let's start with the most popular one, text-to-speech. Just type or paste your text, select your favorite AI voice, and in seconds, you'll have a natural-sounding voiceover ready to use. It's perfect for creators, narrators, or anyone who wants instant high-quality audio without recording. Then comes the audio cutter, which lets you trim unwanted sections or extract specific parts of your recording in just a few clicks. It's quick, accurate, and super easy. Need to combine multiple clips? The audio joiner helps you merge files seamlessly, perfect for podcasts, intros, or song mixers. If you've got a recording or meeting you'd like to turn into text, speech-to-text powered by Whisper AI handles that effortlessly. Just upload your audio, and it instantly gives you a clean, editable transcript. The audio converter is your go-to when you need to change formats, convert MP3 to WAV, FLAC, OGG, or batch convert entire folders at once. And if your audio sounds noisy or unclear, the voice enhancer cleans it up beautifully. It removes background noise, balances the tone, and makes your voice sound clear and professional, like it came straight from a studio. For music lovers, there's the vocal remover. It separates vocals and instruments with one click, perfect for karaoke or remix projects. Want to take creativity further? Try the voice conversion tool. Transform one voice into another while keeping it natural. Ideal for dubbing, gaming, or voice content creation. If you're working with multiple files, batch processing saves time by converting or enhancing them all at once. You can even tweak how your audio sounds using the speed and pitch changer, make your clips faster, slower, deeper, or higher without losing quality. The audio compressor helps you reduce file sizes while keeping the sound crystal clear. And if you want to record something instantly, the online voice recorder lets you capture audio directly from your browser. You can also generate stunning visuals for your music using the waveform generator, remove awkward silences automatically with the silence remover, or protect your original work using the digital watermarker. And the best part? Everything here is completely free, fast, and secure, built to make your audio project simple and professional. So go ahead and explore skits.com today. Create, edit, and transform your sound, all in one place. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing AI tools and tutorials. SKY TTS, touch the sky, create the infinite ideas. And now, let me show you how you can use SKY TTS to create stunning faceless videos with just a few clicks and a little creativity. Here's a short story, made completely using SKY TTS voices and visuals, that proves how powerful your words can be when voice meets AI. The Broken Clock, a story about purpose and time. Once upon a time in a quiet village, there was a small shop owned by an old man named Ravi. In his shop hung dozens of clocks, big, small, modern, antique, each ticking in perfect harmony. Except for one. There was a broken clock on the wall. Its hands were stuck at 2:45, and no matter how much Ravi tried, it wouldn't move again. Every visitor asked, "Why don't you throw this one away?" Ravi would smile and say, "Because even a broken clock shows the right time twice a day." People laughed and moved on, but that clock stayed there, silent and still. Days passed, and life moved on. One afternoon, the village faced a power outage. The sound of ticking clocks stopped, the entire shop fell into silence. Ravi sat there, worried, until he noticed something. Through the quiet, sunlight streamed in and touched the face of the broken clock. The time was exactly 2:45. And for that one moment, the broken clock was right again. Ravi smiled. Even when everything stops working, something broken can still be right at the right time. That evening, a young boy named Arav entered the shop. He looked sad. His dream was to become an artist, but everyone told him he wasn't good enough. He asked Ravi, "Sir, how do you keep hope when everything seems to fail?" Ravi pointed to the broken clock and said, "See that? It doesn't tick, it doesn't move, but every day, it's right twice." You don't have to be perfect to have purpose. Sometimes, you just need patience to let your time come. The boy stood there silently, watching the clock. For the first time, he smiled. Years passed. The old shop was gone, but the story of the broken clock spread across the town. That little boy, Arav, grew up to become a famous painter. And in every exhibition, in the corner of his studio, there was always one painting of a broken clock stopped at 2:45. When people asked him why, he said, "Because this clock taught me that even if I'm not moving, my time will come again." So, remember, no matter how stuck you feel, no matter how silent your journey seems, your moment is coming. Keep believing, Keep creating, and never throw yourself away just because you're not ticking right now. Every dream, every voice, and every idea has its time. Created using SKY TTS, touch the sky, create the infinite ideas.